So this is a battery operated lawnmower, which is by STIHL. And this is a battery operated leaf blower by STIHL. And they take the same battery, which is a 36 volt. And that's the leaf blower. And this is the battery operated STIHL lawnmower. And so you put the battery in right there. And that battery also operates the leaf blower. And so they're interchangeable. And so you come up here. Okay. Are you going to demonstrate something?
I don't know how yet.
Oh, and did you push that? He doesn't know how to use it yet, but let me go here. By STIHL. Okay, so this is where the battery goes. How do you open it? Oh, there we go. It's hard to get it from there. And this is the battery, and I assume you push that to pull it out.
I guess that's where
There you go.
Yeah, that's the. You carry a spare battery here.
You can carry.
But this runs off of that.
Okay, and how long does that run?
I don't know.
Okay.